Welcome to another really quick product review.
There goes that.
Hey YouTube, Ralph here with another really quick product review. What we have here is the MaxiTPMS sensor TS408 by AUTEL. This is a very great handy tool to use whenever you have a tire pressure monitoring system on your vehicle. It can scan, read, and diagnose what's going on with your sensors, as well as reprogram new sensors by the MX line. This features a very intuitive user interface, which gives you full directions on how to reprogram and relearn these new sensors to your old ones. It'll also give you the opportunity to scan your key fob to verify that the battery still works and what frequency it works under. In regards to the MX sensors, comes in 315 megahertz and 433 megahertz, which can be reprogrammed to use on any vehicle that uses these frequencies, including Mercedes, BMW, Volkswagen. The great thing about these sensors is it features a rubber stem instead of the aluminum corrosion-prone system. Also, it makes it easy to install. Pop this into the wheel, click the sensor on, and you're good to go. The unit itself also includes a 2300 milliamp hour battery, which is fully rechargeable. It does include the cable and charger as well, so that you can go ahead and charge it from home and not have to worry about batteries as well. On one note, just to give you a heads up, the sensors and the unit itself are sold separately. Also includes a full color TFT display, so that's easy to use at night or during the day. All right guys, if you like what you saw, go ahead and hit the like button. If you'd like to see another product featured on this show, add it to the comments. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe and notification bell so that you can get notified when we do another one. Have a great day.